How to change your email on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your email on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now just click here profile, and after you click on it just click these three lines here in top corner and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, manage account. Just click on it and click on your email here, and then all you need to do here you will find the change email, and just type the code, and then you will be able to change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.